guys, and also good morning my friends from Zimbabwe. Today we have another tutorial to show you the tips and ideas which I used within this tutorial. I made it to show you how these types of beat is made there in Zimbabwe. As we know that these types of beat is mostly made in Zimbabwe. So one of the famous singer who is called Dalek Maches, we do have another John Chibadura. They used to make these types of beat. So this is not a remake. This is my beat. I made it to show you because I love you very much. I want you also to improve your skills of producing, to improve your skills of making your beat sound perfectly good. So let us start with the drums. Of the drums, we will see everything. I will show you step by step how I did it. I won't hide anything from you because you are my friend, you are my brother, and also you are my family. So let us start with the drums. Okay, here we do have the drums. The drums are very simple. You can also play like this. You see, these drums are of the old project. I like to take the old projects and remove the melodies and remain with the real drums. It's because I have a lot of singers in my studio. I don't like to waste my time. So after I drew these drums, I had to draw this melody here from NHT, and all of the plugins that I will be using here, they are native plugins. Since this program doesn't accept external plugins, I don't know if it accepts, but I haven't seen. So all of the things that you need to do here is to use your ideas, your creativity to make this type of beat sound good. So let us play here to hear how it sounds. So it's very simple. After I played this melody, I had to I had to draw another melody down here to answer the first melody. So let us hear this melody, how it sounds, and then we will play both of them to hear how they sound together. Let us play here. Okay, excuse me. Let me play here. It's a bass. After the bass, I played this melody here. I use the kick bass for this melody. So this melody was answering the first melody here. So let us play both of them to hear how they sound together. So they sound perfect good. So after that, these two melody here, I had to play this one. So after this melody here, I used the let me show you. I used bass guitar. I use the hyper button here. So for example, if you want to change the melodies, if you want to change the melodies, just click in this icon here. It looks like a bag. It will take you in this place to this place. So this place is where you can choose the presets for your melodies. It's very simple, and this part that you are seeing here, it's for you to select your plugins. For example, I have selected my plugins which I used for my melodies, and here is the place where you can draw your melodies. For example, here I draw my melody in this place. So it's very simple. If you want for me to start from zero, explaining you how to start a beat, I will do it as soon as you test me in the comment section. So after this, I played this one. I used the solid off for this melody. Let me see, solid off, and I had to make it change. Then I drew also this melody. So for this melody, I use the fretless bass. Here's a fretless bass. It's very simple. I didn't use a lot of things, since sometimes we need to ignore other things which comes in our mind to put in the beat, because we need to put only essential things. So these types of beat in Zimbabwe is mostly made with a lot of artists. It is made with a band. So for example, for me, I'm not a band. I'm only a single person. I'm supposed to play it as if I were a band, because we are playing it in order to sound it in order to sound like it was played alive. So pay much attention to do the coordination, and don't put a lot of things in these types of beat. So guys from Zimbabwe, this was tutorial for today's video. Didn't put a lot of things here, as you can see and hear. And also I drawed the drums. As you know, there are the singers who like to dance, and every beat you should put these types of things, because there are children who only want to dance, don't want to hear what the singer is talking about. So let us hear how the drum sounds. So guys, this was the tutorial for today's video. If you like these types of video, please subscribe to my channel, share the tips, like it. I will be here with another tutorials like this to show you. So remember, this is not a remake of John Chibadura. No. So I'm showing you how to do beats like those of them. I inspired. I listen very much those beats from Zimbabwe. So if you want this project, I will send you it for free. It is not of my singer. It's mine. I made it to show you. So, and also for me, it's the first time to speak English. If you find that I should improve to get in contact with me, just tell me. I'm trying my best. I'm struggling to speak English in order to make you understand how I want to transfer, I want to transmit, to convey my message for you. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next tutorials. Bye. Here's your boy DJ Angel Production. This was the tutorial for today's video.